I'm Rebecca Brand, and I just got back from Arosa, Switzerland. Arosa is a town and municipality in the pleasure region of Switzerland. It's both a summer and a winter tourist resort. I went there in the summer. Oberer Arosa See is the lake in the center of Arosa. It's an alpine lake at about 6,000 feet up. I was thrilled to stay at the best hotel there, the Tshuggen Grand. It's a wellness and luxury hotel with 94 rooms and 34 junior suites and an incredible spa. It's known for its architecture. It was rebuilt in 1966 because of a fire before that. And all those pods you're looking at are special rooms in the spa. They are gorgeous. It's nestled high in the Alps with beautiful trails behind to walk and enjoy. I climbed a little mountain myself. It was so much fun looking at the scenery. And if I can climb it, certainly you can climb these mountains in the summertime. The views of nature close up and from afar are spectacular. The forests are everywhere. They even have a squirrel trail. And you can feed them. This is really popular with families. There's a Gondola Ski Lift right above it, and it's right above the lake. Staying at the Tshuggen, there's even a private mountain railway for their guests, which is amazing. It's so easy to get to, so you can ski in and out of that hotel. That was very impressive. It's the only one like that in the whole town of Arosa. Behind the hotel, I took a little walk and I found these really cute campsites where anyone can go. The Swiss are great like that. They even have wood supplied. So if you want to cut wood for your own fire, have at it. I sure did. I was actually pretty successful. It was a lot of fun playing there behind the hotel. Swiss Deluxe Hotel sponsored my trip with this incredible tour of their hotel. This is a lobby of the Tshuggen. Oh my goodness. And there was a live singer almost all the time I was there, playing beautiful songs. It was so romantic. The bar was gorgeous. The whole entry area, the lobby, and then into the restaurant. As an American, I needed a little help with the menu, and they were so kind and friendly to me. I loved what they had, and the wine that they had of the house had the beautiful spa picture on it. My friend Heidi came with me, and we enjoyed their local wines. And we made new friends too. Oh, it was time to dive into the food. This was the duck, and that was steak tartare, which I love. I made a little perfect bite. Delicious. Cheers to that. Cheers. And the salmon dish with the sea foam, what a gourmet extravaganza. And I had many desserts. One was a lemon, beautiful panna cotta with mango on the side. And another one was the cheese plate. They always serve cheese plates for dessert, which I love. Oh, and I cannot forget the chocolate mousse with the cherries on the side. Delicious. Served with some dessert wine, which is one of my favorites. And stretching out in the lobby afterward was great before I hit my room. These are shots of my room I took upon my arrival. That's why it's so clean. What a view. My room had the alpine view of those gorgeous Alps with the town below it. It was breathtaking, and the room had a balcony too. The room was amazing. They even served snacks and champagne upon our arrival. The bathroom was ultra luxurious. The next day, I went to the spa. It was an amazing experience just getting to it, walking over this enclosed bridge. My friend Heidi and I could not believe the incredible award-winning architecture. I've never seen anything like it. I was greeted by a lovely gal who gave me the full tour, and then it was down to go to my room for my spa treatment. It was huge, luxurious, the nicest I've ever seen. And for social media purposes, I did a selfie, and then I laid down and waited for my treatment in a beautifully atmospheric room. There is a full workout center, pools, much more than I can show on this video. This is truly a world-class spa. But my deal was I was going to get my exercise on the free bikes they offered. Well, I don't know, it might be a calamity adventure, so I came back, but boy was that fun. And then it was time to go for the rest of my journey on the Swiss Federal Railways. First class, feet up, and looking out over the beautiful chalets and valleys of the Swiss Alps. Amazing. Thank you, Tour de Swiss Deluxe Hotels, for this amazing tour at your award-winning hotel, the Tshuggen, the Grand Tshuggen Hotel in Arosa. And in my opinion, the finest hotel of all Arosa Switzerland. I'm Rebecca Brand. Stay with me for my next tour.